Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am C. Rahman, a teacher and motivational speaker, and this is the Master Academy. My first lecture is on Days of the Fittest. Actually, this quotation is Survival of the Fittest by Herbert Spencer, an English poet and philosopher. I modify this quotation for the ease of viewers. This quotation is the best for all time for human beings. It means those who are successful and will be successful. They have they had they will have the following significant traits which makes them fittest. They are wise, intelligent, ambitious, vigilant, mentally and physically strong, and the leadership qualities they have. If you want to be successful in any field of life, or you want to get your set goal, you have to be fittest. Then this world will be yours if you do so. So, viewers, this is my short description on this quotation. I hope you like this short lecture, but very useful for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.